Hello everybody. So in today's video I'm going to be drawing y'all a digital camera. So I'm going to first do the rectangular body. Somewhat of a rectangular body. Let me go ahead and resize that a little bit. Okay. Now I'm going to draw the circular or the cylindrical housing that holds the lens. Let's try that again. Now I'm going to draw the actual lens that goes inside of this. Next thing I'm going to do is the actual button that's used to take the pictures. Now I'm going to draw the flash lens, or the part of the camera that gives you the flash. Let's do that again. Now I'm going to draw the little black rubberized grips that are on the outside of the camera. And then finally, I'm going to draw these little lines that you see that hold the actual housing of the camera. And there we be. So for the next part of the video, I'm going to do a time lapse to color this and show y'all what it looks like in the very end. Thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.